Okay, so welcome back and let's talk about Sonorus. Today I'm going to give you update how much tokens I'm earning if you get a note, and the notes are selling a lot, over 7,000 sold notes. When this number come here around 9,000, they will sell very fast because after 10,000 the price start increasing. Now I have a note for already a few weeks time, and I will tell you how much tokens I earn and how much money I'm making per day basically with these notes, because I'm earning tokens every single day and the token is not even out yet. Now what is Sonorous, how hot this project is, and when the token is coming, stay tuned. Now before we go anywhere, please understand that nothing here is financial advice. I'm not your mama and papa, which means do not put more money you can afford to lose. Now why I like this project. Also, if you never watch any of my video, it's called More You Give, More You Receive. Okay, I'm right here in India. I'm helping these kids. Please watch any of my video. It's called More You Give, More You Receive. It's mean the world to me, and leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Okay, let's go back for Sonorous. Okay, so what is this? What is Sonorous? Okay, it's decentralized music voting and rewards with TrendFi. But so what exactly is that? A lot of people, a lot of TikTok people with the music, they start getting inside this one with partnership. These guys are already in, okay? They are in Play Stores, they are in Google Play Store, they are in already Apple Store with over 250,000 downloads, active users, okay? This is already working and the token is not even out yet. Now, the main stuff here is they have a note. When you get a note, it costs only 600 bucks at the moment. Okay, now do your research as always. You getting tokens every single day. It's very similar to a different project what I was very heavy involved in. It's called Delicium or AG. Okay, and I did already 3x my money there. Okay. Are we going to do 2, 3, 4x in this project? I really hope so. Okay, so let's go and let me share to you how much tokens I'm making. Okay, so if you go in Sonorous, if you log in with your, make sure you use a MetaMask, because my Rabbit cannot log in. I don't know why, maybe it's my VPN and all this stuff, but yeah. So I have already 2,000 tokens. Now, if we compare, okay, so how much I'm earning? So I'm earning, this is without referrals, nothing, okay? This is just from one node. So I have a different wallet where also I'm trying to get more nodes, but at the moment I'm trying to get, okay, one more at least. But in this wallet, I only keep one node right here, okay? And I bought on 11, 24, 25th. I think I bought 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, something like that. But you will see I was earning 50 something tokens, 60 something, but more nodes they selling, less tokens we earn, because then the tokens are split between equally to everybody. So at the moment I'm earning around 44 tokens. Okay, maybe you think, oh, that's not a lot, but hey, I have 2,000 right now. Okay, so let's compare the price. If this bad boy, when the token is launching, nobody know, but I believe it's coming very, very soon. Should be before Christmas or just around Christmas, maybe in the next couple of weeks, and it's going to be very hot because not a lot of people can afford to get a note, and a lot of people are going to try to buy on exchanges. Now, because I'm comparing with Delicium did 10x, okay, started at 3 cents, okay, and it wasn't even popular a lot like this one, and went up to 30 cents, okay. So launching price for this one, I'm assuming, I hope, will be around 20 cents, you know, 15-20 cents. And if the price just double, triple, okay, even if it starts between 5 and 10 cents, and if the price do 10x like Delicium, but let's say 5x, okay, we talk about 30-40 cents a token, okay, maybe even 50 cents a token, maybe even more. Because if you see on the Play Store, they already have right here, okay, or already 100,000 plus downloads, and the same is on the Apple Store. There people are using this platform, okay. This can be the revolution in the music web 3, okay. So if I'm making around 45 tokens per day, and if you compare the price around 50 cents for one, let's say 40 cents, even 30 cents, okay, I'm being very pessimistic. We talk about between 12 and 15 bucks per day at the moment. Even more, if it's 50 cents, will be around 20 bucks per day. The note, if I have 2,000 tokens, okay, if the price right now costs around 50 cents, I just have 1,000 bucks, so I can cash out and I can buy another note, to be honest, because the note going to give you tokens for a long time. Now, make sure more people buy the node, less tokens you earn. Simple as that, okay? That's how it's working. This amazing. So it's decentralized music voting and rewards with TrendFi. You can understand that you can make money here and tokens, okay, in using their platform, okay? It's not, you don't need to have music, you need to share and all this stuff. Go and check music voting, go and check how is everything working there. It's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. I'm more interested to get a node, maybe buy the token when it's listed. I'll try, if you have a fast fingers, try to ape in, maybe, flip it, take profits, do whatever you want. But here you can nominate new songs, okay, here, and then you can earn a money right here. So everything what they say is being successful, okay? Now let's go and check. There we go. You can see launch DJ Node, a significant governance NFT that grant exclusive access to the forefront of shaping the decentralized music landscape, okay? So that's the good stuff. So because you have NFT node, okay, because you have, DJ node, okay, holders tend to recap the collective benefits and rewards that come with it. So you get more rewards. Also, you have staking, okay? I'm sure they're going to have staking because in Delicium I stake for a huge high APR, and now it's going to be unstaked very, very soon. So I'm still earning money from Delicium, believe it or not. And that's a different project, but they going hot with AI. Okay, now next one. If you go to their Telegram group, you will see that they having a partnership all the time. They just partnership with Star Protocol, okay, the world leading social network aggregator offering omni-chain name services, okay? So that's good. They doing a lot of partnership. Next one, they do partnership again, new one after only couple of days with Unimeta, one of the best IP culture roted, okay, with NFT market space, okay? That's good. Again, they're giving free airdrops and all the stuff, okay, for collaboration. And also, this is very interesting, new one, Sonorus and Hibiki run, okay? That's why you will see all the time they doing a lot of a partnership. Right here, they have 1, 2, 3 already partnership in just few days time, okay? And this is the last one, okay? Because here you will see that this one, they have like 4 days left, and that was 2 days ago, so you have 2 more days when you're watching this video, that they have the airdrop session 3, because they're going to have a huge airdrop. Go and check them in their Telegram how you can get. But here, if you read, okay, they have for every DJ holder, okay, for every DJ node holder, that's me, okay, who is in full swing, you can win a 4-star best domain worth 100,000 units a year, okay? Go and check how and what you need to do. The main stuff is I did a full AMA with these guys and they look very, very serious. Again, I'm going to do update video very, very soon once the token is launched, but probably in the next couple of weeks I'll just get them on my channel and do AMA and see what's the update when the token launching, or if the token is launched, what's happening, what's the next stage. Again, thank you so much for watching, subscribing, liking. The link will be in the description. To get the node, the only way to get the node is by invitation, okay? That is the only way to get the node. Make sure you use my code. They're already 7,600 bucks, it's one, and then the price is going to go up for 25 bucks for every 100 nodes sold. Okay, so here you will see 600 right now, total amount 50,000. Delicium sold 14,000 nodes. That was crazy, okay? Here you will see 25 bucks for every 100. And then what's happening with Delicium was when their number come around 9,000, everybody start buying like crazy. Okay, so here you will see what's the benefits of holding the nodes. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I love you all. Till the next one, I do I and you do you. Goodbye.